Welcome back. I'm meteorologist Jake DeReese. Today in our neighborhoods, we're staying dry and continuing with the well below average trend in our temperatures, only reaching an air temperature high of 23 degrees in Lansing today with weak winds. Now we're going to be looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies today. So even though it's super chilly, it's still going to be the best day really out of this week to get outside if you need to do any outdoor activities, because we have multiple rounds of winter weather expected to move in. Again, we should be seeing average highs in the upper 30s now for December 8th. So we're again continuing with this trend with cooler than average temperatures, which are going to continue throughout our 7-day period. But now let's look at our setup. We do have an area of high pressure that is allowing us to stay dry today, as well as keep us again seeing more tame weather conditions. But that's going to change overnight tonight and into tomorrow. You can start to see our next Clipper system advance through the region starting Tuesday morning. Ahead of these frontal passages, we'll start to see snow move through during the morning commute hours that could potentially lead to some slick spots. Right behind it, again, this is a back-to-back two-parter with another Clipper system moving through the area starting Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning. So let's get right into the satellite and radar for tomorrow morning. As early as 5 a.m. is when we could see this snowfall start to move into our neighborhoods. Notice we do have winds oriented out of the south. We are going to be warming our temperatures more, hovering around the freezing area, and by the time we get to Wednesday, into the mid-30s. So we're also going to be watching out for chances for some wintry mix as well. Snow continues to move through during those morning hours across all of our neighborhoods. We're looking at 7 a.m. Again, this is right during that commute time, so we're definitely going to want to leave some extra time out on the roads when heading out tomorrow morning. The brunt of this precipitation will be out of the way by 11 a.m. with some scattered showers still and some possible freezing drizzle on the back end as winds start to elevate out of the southwest. But into the afternoon, we'll take a bit of a break, as once we get to Tuesday evening, our next Clipper system will start to move in, bringing snow as well as, yes, some rain as well. We're looking at daytime highs heading into Wednesday, like I said, reaching the mid-30s. So we'll start out as snow here in the overnight hours, mix into rain as that center of low pressure tracks just north of our neighborhoods, as we could see more rain and snow heading into the daytime hours Wednesday as well, with back-end lake effect snow heading into Thursday. So if we take a look at our snowfall forecast, this is just for the first round, mainly tomorrow morning and into those evening hours. We could see for northern neighborhoods 1 to 2 inches, up to 1 inch anywhere south of I-94, but all of us also have a chance to see some of that freezing drizzle as well, some light ice, and that's definitely going to impact those roads, so make sure you're leaving some extra time. Looking 6 to 10 days out for our temperature outlook from December 13th through the 17th, continuing on favoring below average temperatures for the month of December. You can see that here in our 7-day. Again, staying dry today, get those outdoor activities done, because look at all of this snow in our forecast. Thursday is for more lake effect remnant showers as temperatures drop again into the mid-20s and overnight lows return back into the mid to lower teens. Friday, though, we're watching for another potential system that will bring snowfall to our neighborhoods. That's a little bit too early to talk details. We're keeping an eye on it with some remnant snow chances possible heading into our weekend on Saturday. Temperatures continuing to cool into the lower 20s, 21 as a high, looking to dry up, but see daytime highs into the teens late this weekend.